FIFA 22, huge career mode news reveals players will be able to create their own club. FIFA 22 will be released later this year, and new information has revealed some great new features around career mode. The gaming franchise has been a huge success and is known as the best football game around. They easily beat off competition from Pro Evolution Soccer every year. There had been some rumors in the past suggesting that we could get an online career mode, but this is yet to be confirmed. Read more. FIFA 22 online career mode leaks emerge. Despite being an offline game mode, career mode is one of the best features on FIFA, and any new changes and updates are always welcome. Read more. FIFA 22 release date, cover, news, career mode, gameplay, cross-platform, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and everything you need to know. Players will be able to make a club in FIFA 22 career mode. Gamers are always asking for big changes to the game mode, and when FIFA 21 was released, it felt like players were treated to some great new additions for the first time in ages. It looks like developers EA Sports have gone one better this year, as they have made another huge addition to career mode. This new feature was spotted in a brand new trailer FIFA released over the last few days, and fans were looking very carefully during the whole video to spot all the details. For the first time, players will be able to create their own club to play with in the game mode. This is crazy to imagine and makes each gaming experience very unique and different. This new feature will be called Create a Club, and you will be able to put your club in any division you choose to across the globe. Read more. FIFA 22 reveal trailer unveils new in-game features. The reaction to this new addition has been amazing, with the gaming community massively excited over this welcome change coming to the game. Excitement is now building for the release of this game, and we hope more new features will be revealed in the very near future.